Because that's what Lincoln's a day then for the street light.
Can you go?
I can't.
Do you want me to do it?
Yes.
And you look at this grass what you know, we don't have
Adam.
Isn't he
He's
lovely? He's bigger than the baby.
Adam.
Baby put together.
That's nice. That's what the baby brought you.
This is falls on his face.
Are you going to go and give the baby a cuddle? You're going to give the baby a cuddle? Why are you taking it, Mum?
What?
That's not meant. My mouth said something totally different than what it was meant to. Come on, come and see. Come and see, come and sit next. Come and sit next to her. I know. So there's no more babies in Mummy's tummy?
Thank goodness.